Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y52 5G, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the shortest one. Let's enter the dialer because we will use the secret code. Let's tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way, the second way to check those numbers. So let's enter the settings. Let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. After scrolling down, we have to tap on the status, and as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you would like to check the serial number, you have to go back and enter software information, and the serial number is right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Vivo Y52 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.